How to download and install GTA San Andreas on your PC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily download and install GTA San Andreas on your PC. Let's begin. The very first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open up Steam application on your device. If you don't have it, just download it from your browser. Once you have your Steam, make sure that you're logged into your account. All you need to do next is go to the search icon and simply search for San Andreas, and you'll find this GTA San Andreas over here. Click on it. Now for this, you should enter your age because this requires you to verify your age. Just go ahead and enter your date of birth. Click on view page. Once that is done, you can scroll down here and add your GTA to your cart. I've already added this to my cart, so what you're going to do is just go to this cart option at the top right. View your cart. I already have this here. Let me just remove Counter-Strike for now, and then you can just click on continue to payment. Then from this drop down, you can select your payment method, for example, Visa. Select this. Enter your card number and all of your details like expiration date, CVV code, all your billing information and all. Then once everything is done, click on continue and it should add your game to your library just like this. Once you download it, you should be able to play this without any problem. That's basically it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.